Everyone. My name is Barry, aka Barry Pencil. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for having our time. Welcome to Velion Academy. Over to the next speaker.
I can see Mr. Christian, Mr. Ayotime.
Mr. Christian, Mr.
Let's do West to introduce
Ayotime.
ourselves.
Let's
Okay.
do us to introduce ourselves.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay. All right. So today
All right. So
we're going to start with
today I'm going to
this
start with
Mr. Barry. The can you
Mr.
mute
Barry.
the
Can you mute the
can you mute yourself?
Sir?
Please can you mute yourself?
Okay.
I can hear myself back. Okay. Thank you so much. So I'm going to record this meeting so we can watch it again. Right? We can watch it again. So this introduction to web development. All right. This is introduction to web development. So web development is not something big, not that difficult. All right. Don't let anybody use big words or English to to deceive you or to make you feel like it's difficult. Yes, you can talk, sir.
Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir.
Oh, okay.
okay.
How about now? Is it better now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you for the feedback. So, as I was saying, um, sorry, Mr. Olafai, can you mute your mic? So let me just continue. So this class, all right, this class is for absolute beginner. So if you have never done anything web development before, you have not, even if you have not heard of it before, don't worry, we're going to explain what it is here, and you are going to, be able to build a website for yourself. All right. So I know we all have different goals and different reasons for joining. So you can sorry, Mr. Olafai. Okay. So yeah, cool. So you can either you want to use this for like to make money, all right, to build it for people and get job through that, or you just want to learn it for your business, okay? Because me, I built the website for almost all the businesses that I run. I built the website myself. I built not just I'll show you not just landing page, right? I built a lot of this, and I'll show you this in this today. I'll show you today, so you know like what is possible for you to build. So you might want to build for your business as well, like you just want to make for your business. That's if you want to use this for to make money and all. So this is the right class for you too. All right, this is the right class for you, and you are much welcome. All right, let me do a last call on the um on the group. I don't want people to miss out, but if they are not available, of course, we have to continue. All right. So, hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Can you join the meeting? Yes, sir. Hello. Can you join the meeting on Google Meet? Yes, sir. I said, can you join the Google Meet? The class has started. All right. Yes, the Google link. All right. All right. Sorry for the break. I had to put the call through to others so they can join, so everybody can benefit from this. All right. So this is going to be an interactive class. All right. You're going to bring out your ideas, we talk, and um, if you have any question, you can always call me back. All right, and we treat it together and all. So as I said earlier, web development is not a big thing. All right, it's not. Yeah, you can use it to make big stores, but trust me, it's very very easy. Okay, if I can learn it, if I know a lot of people that learned it, and I'm sure they are not as brilliant, as smart as you are, and if they are able to learn it, then I think um, it's going to be very very easy for you to learn. Okay, this is very very easy for you to learn. So let me show you some of the things that we are going to. I'm going to introduce myself because. So let me just open this up. Um, where's my Google there? Meet. Okay, I want to share my screen. All right, so I'm sharing my screen now. So my name is Omidoyin Ayodeji. All right, if you have any question at any point, please you can always ask. All right, always ask. Okay. So my name is Ayodeji Omidoyin. I'm a I'm a business owner, an entrepreneur, a software developer, a tutor, and you know, uh, a lot. All right, a lot that I can't. Sometimes I can't even remember like how many stuff I've done. I teach data analysis. I teach website development. I've worked with all this. All right, I've worked with them. Worked with Python. I've worked with data science. I've worked as a data scientist, as a web developer, as a mobile developer as well. All right, like I cut across almost all the niches out there. All right. So I do a bit of content creation too. I work heavily with AI. Okay, so that's just a little story about myself, and I've been working in this tech ecosystem now for more than 6 years. Right, for more than 6 years. I graduated as a mechanical engineer, so I had a little bit of uh, foundation in coding and all. But notwithstanding, I have friends that graduated in yeah, maths, I think math education or something, math education, and then one agreed all, and they are doing very 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 well. Okay, they are doing very very well in tech. All right, they are doing very very well in tech. So your foundation will be a plus to whatever it is that you are learning. Okay, your foundation will be a plus to whatever it is that you are learning. So that's a bit about me. So let me show you some of the things I built. If I put that up, so to show you the blog. Okay, so I'll just show you like what we all know as websites, right? What we all know as website. So I'll go through them so you just see like what I've built more than I've done more than these stuffs, but I just want to show you real quickly as we go on. As we go on, I'm going to be showing more of the website that I've built, I've developed, and you see the potential, of you see the potential, you see what it's possible for you to build and develop as well, right? So all these ones are just for one branch of my company, all right? This is a Velion Academy. Okay, so I have a lot of that I've built, but this is just one. So this is a website. This is what you all know as website, all right? Website that has it's just a web page with information on it and all right? Then this one too, the website. Okay. Now this one is a web application because it has more details, it has more things than just a web page. Okay, you can sign in here, you can log in, right? You can log in and do other stuff through here. Okay, so that's example of website. Right? So that's an example of web page. So most times people use them interchangeably. They use website as web app and all, like everything goes. It's okay. All right. I just thought to show you the difference between website and web page. So I know you are here for website development or web page development or whatever it is. It's the same thing. So the full stack developer does the front end. This is called the front end, and then the back end. I will show you the back end. Okay. So this is called the front end. All right, so let me start properly. So what's the full stack developer? Who's a full stack developer? So I want to make a different. I want to differentiate between full stack developer. If there's anything at any point that you don't understand, please ask question. All right, ask question. All right. So and I'll try as much as possible to make it very very simple for us to track. All right. So we have full stack developer. So what's the full stack developer about? Okay, what's full stack about? Full stack, as the name implies, full of a stack, like the whole of a stack, the complete stack. So a full stack developer is someone who can build both the front end, both this user interface. This is called user interface because this is what a user can see. All right, this is what a user can see. This is what you see in the website. So it's the person that can build this, what you see, which is user interface. All right, and the server side or the logic. The logic, what I mean is, look at this. This is just a page. Okay, this is just a page. This is just a page. If I click on this, I'm clicking now. I'm clicking, nothing is happening. Right? I'm clicking, nothing is happening. If I click on this, something happens. All right. Now, making that thing to happen is okay. That one is still front end. You can do it on the front end. But if I fill up my details here, if I fill up my details and whatnot here, and I click on this one, it's going to make payment for me. Or if I want to log in, I want to log in from here. All right, if I try to log in from here, it's going to do something in the back end. That's the logic. All right, it's going to sign me in. That's the logic. This front, what you are seeing here, is the user side, the user interface. Okay, that's the user interface. That's what we see. That's what's called front end. The back end is what now happens after I input the email and put password there. Okay, and I click on this sign in. So when I click on this sign in, something will now happen, and it will store my name. All right, it will save my name, and it will remember me. What is happening there, what is taking care of that one is the server side. All right, that's the logic. That whenever this guy clicks on this, it should do something. That's the logic. All right, so we have front end, we have back end, we have database, we have DevOps. So I will try and quickly rush through them. Okay, we have front end. Front end, you all know front end is. If you all know what front end is by this my explanation, please can I get a thumbs up? Can I get a reaction if you understand front end now? If you understand front, if you don't understand front end, if you want me to go over it again, please let me know. All right, cool. So we all know what front end is. So front end is the one that will put this logo, write this one to be login. It's the one that will write email, the one that will write password. It's the one that will put this box here. It's the one that will put this I, put the button, put everything there. But what makes it to store my name, to store this email, is the work of backend. All right. So we now have database. Database is like have we used Excel before, or our phone book, like the contacts on your phone? On your phone you have contacts. You see when you click on add contacts, it's just like you want to sign up. So let me click sign up. So though our own sign up, we have how many fields? We have a lot of fields there. But in your own phone, like on your phone, you have name, right? You have name and phone number. Name, phone number, right? That's what you have on your phone. Like if you remove your phone now, if you take out your phone and you click on add contacts, like you want to save someone's contacts on your phone, it will give you name, just tell you to enter name and phone number. So that's your user interface. That's your UI. That's the front end. So when you now click on save, it's going to, that's the work of the backend. When you click on the save, backend will now do something. Now carry that name and the phone number that you have that you just imputed. All right, it's going to carry both of them and it will save it somewhere. That's called your phone book. It's going to save it in your phone book. So anytime that you need that your contact, like you want to quickly call somebody, what you just do is you go and search, and you do what, and you get the name of that person. Do you understand? What you do is you just go and search, and you see the name of the person. So where is he storing that thing? Where is he storing all those names and contacts? phone book. What's phone book in our own analogy? It's called database. All right, database, a base for data. All right, that's data. Data is like information. All right, data is information about somebody. That's his name and his phone number. So you put it in a base. Okay, that's what database is. Don't let anybody use big English to confuse you. All right, it's just a place where you store data. That's all. It can be on your phone, can be on hard drive. Hard drive is a mini database. Can go on your hard drive. Your system can act as your database. All right. So we have a cloud database. The cloud database, that's the one that is not. And I will explain why we need cloud database. The reason why we need the cloud database, one of the reasons is, what if something happens to your hard drive? What if something happens to your that's a very good example. Your phone book. After doing your phone book will tell you. I mean, your contact to tell you backup, right? To tell you that you should come and back up. So when you back up, what are you doing? You are storing it in the cloud. Like, you are storing it in a place that when you lose your phone, you are going to get your contacts back. That place that you store it is called cloud, like space, like, it's not a physical place. It's in cloud. So that's the other database that we have cloud database. Okay. But the simplest form, your phone can be it's just like a storage place. Database is like a storage, all right, a storage place where you put things. Okay, I hope do we understand database from my explanation now? Do you understand database? Do you understand database?
Can you come again, sir?
For database, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay. So let's use this example. Your phone, right? On your phone, you have and you want to store a contact. You want to store somebody's name and phone number. You want to store somebody's phone number on your phone. What's the first thing you do? You pick your phone and you go to contacts, right? And you click add new contact. So let's say this is how the interface is for add new contact. It's going to ask for first name. I think there's last name on contact too. First name, last name, and the phone number that you want to add, right? So I said that thing is the that interface, that page that you are looking at, that you are seeing, that's done by front end person. All right, that's the work of front end. It's the front end that will put them, that will say first name should be here, email should be here, or you can put email to be above first name or whatever. I will arrange it like this. When you now put the name and the phone number of that person, you click on save now, right? So when you save it, where is it going to be? Where do you think it will store it? It will store it in the storage of your phone. Storage is called the information that you put here. Information is same thing as data, right? Information is same thing as data, like information about somebody, information about things, like that's called data. So it's going to store it in your phone storage. It's going to store this data in your phone storage. So what is that? That's database. That's what it's called, database. All right, like storage base. All right, it's more like this storage base now, or information storage room, like a store, you have a store in your house or whatever. It's very, very simple. It's just a place where you store things. Okay, it's just a place where you store it. So when you click on this save, it's going to put it in your storage. So in your storage, whenever you want to call that person again, all right, whenever you want to call that person, you just click on search. You search and you put the name of that person. It's going to bring it. Where is it bringing it from? It's bringing it from the storage, from where you stored it. Do you get? So that's the work of database. The database is just a place where a data is stored. That's all. Not difficult. Do you understand it now, sir? Oh, okay, all right. I got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So now, backend, I've explained backend. Backend is the one that will take everything from here, everything from this front end, and go and give it to the backend. I mean, go and store it in the database. All right. It's the backend that will carry every information here, all the information that you put here, that will go and put it inside database. You get? All right. So now we have DevOps. DevOps, because I wrote the three. All right, I put front end, back end, and DevOps. DevOps, the work of DevOps is to ensure that everything is running properly. All right, DevOps work is not very simple, but then it's easy. Okay, it's not they are not doing like so much coding and all. Okay, so their work is just to make sure that everything is working fine. Okay, make sure that the phone book, I mean that add contact page is displaying properly on your phone. Okay, and then when they click on create here, the way it creates on your phone is the way it's going to create on another person's phone, is the way it's going to create on everybody's phone. All right, to make sure that it acts the same way on everybody's phone. The person that is using iPhone 1, iPhone 2, iPhone whatever, that they have the same experience, all right, of storing the interface might be different. Like instead of this create, they might use another logo here. That's the work of front end, but the functionality must be the same for both of them, all right, for all the iPhone. So you must be able to save it the same way you are saving them, right? That's the work of that's just the simple form. I mean, in simplicity, what DevOps do, all right, what DevOps do. So what are the example of websites? I've shown you one. This is one. Then all the Facebook is a website, Amazon is a website. So your website can be for different things. Might be selling on the website. This one is a student portal. All right, I built a student portal for my program. All right, this is a student portal. Might be just this is a partner portal. All right, this one is quite different from the student portal. This is a partner portal. This one is just a landing page. All right, this is a landing page. Okay, so you might want to be selling stuff. This one I use it for my program, right? I use it for my program to I use it for my program. So you might be selling stuff, you might be doing different things. You have Alibaba, you have what's the name of these guys now? One in Nigeria, this guy I forgot his name. We have Temu, we have all those guys, they are using websites, right? They are using websites. Those are websites and you can build them like their web apps, their web applications. Okay, but what we know them as is website. I've told you, website is the simple form of a web application, right? Website is just like a page like this. Even this one, this landing page is not a website because I have other things that's running there. Okay, so the moment your website starts having like different functionalities, you can join, you can sign in, you can log in, you can do all those stuff. It becomes a web application. All right, it becomes a web application. So for front end, what are the things that front end do? What are the things I've explained earlier? Front end is the one that will put this color, okay? It's the one that will say this one should be black up to this place, then this color should continue. The one that will put this logo at this place, put this button, okay? It's the one that does all those things. So it uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and all for that. Don't bother yourself about that. We are going to go deeper into it. I'm just explaining. Okay. Then backend. What is backend? Backend is when I click on this one, when I want to sign in for this, when I want to sign in or I want to sign or I want to join this program, all right, and I click on join this program. When I click on join this program, it's going to go to backend. Okay. Let me show you something real quickly. Which one? Um, okay, let me use this guy. I want to show you something. So you see the communication between front end and back end. Let's show you something. Let me put this away. Okay, so you can still see my screen, right? Can we all see my screen? Okay, so
Yes.
it's looking like it's a mobile device now. It's looking like it's a mobile. So this is how you check for responsiveness. Okay, check if it's going to how it's going to look on mobile. All right, this is the work of a front end guy. He's going to check on the mobile. How will it work? If you come to this place, I'm going to teach you all these things. All right, since I'm here, I just thought to show you. Click on this place and you click on iPhone 12 Pro. This is how it's going to look like on iPhone 12. On Surface, this is how it's going to look like. All right, on Tab, on iPad, this is how it's going to look. All right, so that's what you do your responsiveness. Okay, so I'm not I'm not doing responsiveness. I just want to show you something. Now look at this. Look at this. I'm going to go to a site. I just want you to be checking this site. Okay, I will explain this to you later, but I just want to show you what is going on. The communication slash partner, I think partners. All right. So this is my partners page, the one I built. This is my personal partners, the partner program. So let me clear this up. All right. So I'll click on sign in. and I'll click on this relationship, and so you see that it's making a call to Google. That's the work of backend. From front end is calling something, is making a call to Google. After that, he made the call to this where is that? Okay, he made the call to Google, he got the token, he got the user ID and all blah blah like that. Then back to this dashboard. This dashboard is from the backend. So let me open the header and show you something here. So this is the place this is my host uh um render. I hosted this thing on render, the backend. Okay, so it's making a call to the backend. All right, so that's how it communicates to the backend. When I did this Google, it made a call to Google. Do you understand that? It made a call to my backend to go and check my Google. So from front end, it goes to the back end. I will show you how they write back end code and everything. Okay. So, but I'm just showing you now the communication, the interaction between front end and back end. Okay. So for all this information that you are seeing here, I've stored it before. So it will now go look at it on this dashboard. This dashboard is the one that, so this dashboard, when it gets to this dashboard, to this page, it now made this call that it went to call, just like on your phone book. All right, that you search for something. When you get on your phone book, you know it's going to bring a lot of people that you have saved. Same thing. When I got to this dashboard place, it called this dashboard, and this dashboard went to go and do what? To go and fetch all the things that I've saved. Went to fetch the partner account name. All right. Then this is partner account name. Okay. Milestone. Show you something that I start. Okay, yeah. So you see this start 5,000. This 5,000 that you are seeing here, this is it. It's coming from the database. Backend picked this from the database and is now giving it to us. All right. Paid referrals 1, pending commission 0, and all everything that you are seeing here. That's what is displayed there. So the front end will just see this and come and display it here. All right. Backend is the one that will do the logic of how it's going to be displayed. Okay. All right. So that's how backend and front end communicate. I just want to quickly show you that, but don't worry. When we dive deeper into this, you're going to, you're going to see how all these things work properly. You're going to see how it works. All right. So we understand what front end is. Do we understand backend and database and the DevOps now? Do we understand all the three? Front end, backend, and DevOps. Do we understand them? I want reply from everyone. I want reply from everyone. Do we understand this? Are we following? It's only Mr. Richard that's giving me thumbs up. Are we lost? If you need me to go over it again, I'll go over it again. The main purpose of this class is for you to understand it, okay? For you to understand it. All right. It's for you to understand. So the work of full stack, because this program is for full stack. So the work of full stack is what is for you to be able to build the front end, build the back end, database, structure the database, and also the deployment, which is the work of DevOps. So for all the website, all my programs, I build all of them together. So I do like the work of the full stack myself for every of the website that I have. Okay. So that's that about who they are and all. Later we'll dive deeper into the terms and languages that they use them. So do we all know AI? I'm moving on to AI. Right. We're moving on to AI. Do we all know AI? Do we know AI, AI, AI? All right, cool, cool. We all know AI. Good. What's the work of AI? AI is to make the work of human beings easy. I actually have another course for AI for beginner AI, like ABC of AI, right? Where I teach beginners on how to use AI, and there I explain to them that AI is just like your calculator. All right, AI is just like your calculator. The way you use your calculator to calculate basic mathematics, that you can actually use your every of the things that you use calculator for, you can use your brain to calculate it. But the issue is it's going to take time. So instead of using your brain, you just punch it in your calculator. 25 times 25, 25 times 500, you just punch it into your calculator so that it will give you the so it will give you the the answer very fast, and you can go about your day, right? You can go and do whatever thing that you want to do next. Same thing as AI. AI is not to replace you. AI is to enhance you. Is to help you to move faster. Instead of you writing a letter and trying to correct it and do all those stuff, just tell AI, hey, write a letter so. You are going to proofread it, then you correct it and send the final copy out. All right. Instead of you doing stuff say on Canva, I'm going to tell AI, hey, give me a template, then you adjust it and all, and you send it out. All right. That's what AI is doing. Okay. So AI is not it's not replacing developers. Okay. It's not replacing developers. Let me show you something real quickly. Gravity. All right. This is how we write code before. Okay. Show you how we write code before. My ABS. Okay, my uh and let me show you this. All right. So before, all right, before this is how you write code. You write it yourself. This is my front end, and just collapse everything so you see the structure, right? So I wrote my front end and back end together. So don't worry yourself about what's written here. Okay, just where's my app? No, continue. All right. So this is how you write your front end. Okay, this is how we write it. Before you write this one, you write this div, and you write everything. Of course, you are going to write something like this, and I will explain why. Right? I will explain why I want you to write it. So before you write all these ones, you write this as well. You write all this and everything. But now, instead of writing it, I can just come here, right? I can just come here and type and tell it what I want you to do. Change the color. Change the color for me, all right? And it's going to change the color. Do you get? Change the color or change the background. So change the background. Change the background color for me, and it's going to change the background. All right. So that's the work of AI. Makes it very, very easy. So instead of me going through this, searching and looking for where the background color is and change it, I can just write it there. Change the background color for me, and I'll click on this, and it's going to change this. Right now, that's for me. I prefer this because because there are sometimes I want to make some changes myself, right? What's that? Because there are sometimes I want to make some changes myself, all right? Card it at once. Okay. So, but similar things you can do on Claude AI, you can do on Perplexity, you can do on no Perplexity does not have that power. So you can do on ChatGPT, you can do on GitHub, Copilot, you can do on Claude, you can do it on Gemini, you can do it on Cursor, right? You can do it on Witsoft. Artigraphy 2 is part of them, right? That you can use that you can just come and just tell the AI build me this. I don't want while I'm not coding, I'm not doing anything, just build me this, and it's going to build it for you. Fine. Do you get? AI is going to build it for you, fine. But the problem now comes in. After you have built everything like this and something is wrong, how do you know how to debug it? How do you know how to, or what if AI just stops tomorrow? It might not, but what if it stops tomorrow and you're not able to do something and something's wrong with your backend, right? You should be able to, to an extent, understand what is going on. At least we are all using calculator. Even though we are using calculator, we still know how to do 1 plus 1 and 2 plus 2. We still know those mathematics. Same thing as this one. So you need to learn the fundamental. All right. You need to learn a bit of the fundamentals. You need to learn it. All right. You need to learn a bit of the fundamental. So we are going to go through the fundamental. That's going to be like our next class. That's next week. All right. I'm going to go through the fundamental and then we build on the use of AI. Okay, as we are working on the code, we are working on the AI as well. How to use AI to fast track our learning. Because trust me, nobody is going to miss. I don't write code again. Like nobody is going to sit down and be writing code and writing all those code. I don't write code again. All right, I just use AI strictly. Okay, this website, this partner dashboard, I built it in I think I built it yesterday. I built this yesterday, this partner part, all the flow and all. I built it yesterday and today. Yeah, like how to modify when goes wrong. Thank you, Mr. Richard. So I built this whole partner, whatever. I built it yesterday and today. Okay. So you see now, so I can, if I go to the campaign, if I click on campaign, it takes me to this place where I have this. I can copy it and paste. All right. This is just for my partners. All right. The people that promote um this for me and all on commission. Okay. I built that yesterday and today. Imagine, imagine me writing the code for it. That would take me how many days to be writing the code and writing the code page by page and all. All right. So instead of that, I just put the prompt, tell AI, this is how I want it, this is what I want. And I started putting on it layer by layer, layer by layer, layer by layer on it that, oh, let the referral code be like this, or let's, after I made the error on the clicks, no, the clicks is multiplying, or let's, this is the test account, of course. For everything that you build, you have a test account that you used to run what you just did, okay, what you just built. So you say this is a test account, okay, I just did this one, can I edit this? Oh, I'm not able to edit this one. Okay, make it editable. Okay, all right. On the marketing campaign, I want the URL, the link to be here. So you are going to make all those adjustments and all with AI. Okay, all with AI. We are not right. You are going to write code because you are just starting. I want you to have the fundamentals. Okay, but you are not going to be writing code after the fundamentals because it's a waste of time. You just need to understand the design. You just need to understand website design, right? What to do, what not to do, what to put in this one, what not to put there, right? The right time to use AI. I mean, for example, if you actually need to sign up or not, you need to understand if you need to sign up or not. You need to understand if you need to use Gmail for sign up or not. Do you understand? So if you understand all those ones, you understand all those system designs, when to use this and when not to use this, it's going to make your work very easy. So you just come to AI, you already know it, you already have understanding of what you want. Okay. Now, what's the name of this company? Jumia. Jumia and WhatsApp, they operate in different ways. They are both websites, all right. WhatsApp is like WhatsApp is it's an app on your phone, all right, web app. No, 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 it's a mobile app now, all right. But then you have a web version of it. But how? Okay, so the difference between all this, the difference between all this, the mobile, the website, and whatever, is just it's just where you operate them. Okay, it's the same interface, the same how this one is going to be. That's is the same way it's going to be on that one too. The same backend, the same backend that you're going to use for the mobile and you use on the website. Okay, so how WhatsApp operates is different from how Jumia operates. WhatsApp operates based on messages, okay, or banks. Let me use bank app and WhatsApp. WhatsApp, what is the priority to WhatsApp? Priority to WhatsApp is message. All right, I send the message must deliver. Even a slow or bad network, the message needs to deliver. So that means I'm working with time. But in bank transfer, if network is bad, I will not the bank will not allow the transactions to go through. Do you get? The bank will not allow the transaction to go through. But for WhatsApp, because it's just message and the message has to be instant, on a low, they develop it for low and bad network, that even if the network is bad, it should still be able to struggle and get in. Do you get? So if you understand why this one is built this way, why that one is built this way, if you understand all those system design, it's going to be easy for you and come to this AI, because AI cannot just work on its own. You need to understand the context. You need to understand what you know, what you want. If you tell AI, just build me a website, it's just going to build any website for you, a generic one. So you are the one that will now tell AI, hey, AI is going to be like Uber, okay? So when somebody is coming, when somebody needs to go somewhere, they need to book a ride. So show the people that are within 25 radius, all right, that are within that radius, okay, 25-kilometer radius of this person, all right. Don't show him somebody that is 100 kilometer, because 100 kilometer is too far. The reason is that the driver will spend like the fuel that the driver will spend to come from 100 kilometers to come and pick this person It's going to be too much. So instead of matching the one of 100 kilometers, match the one that is very close to him. Do you get? So you are the one that will tell AI to do all that will tell the AI that you want to prompt to build your website for you. You are the one that will tell you that. That's a system design. Okay, that's one of the system design that, oh, okay, it's not just a website that everybody should come and just be booking and booking. There are a lot of things that you need to put in consideration. Where is this person? Okay, what if two people book one person? All right, what if two people book one person? Because there can be an issue that you click on this, you click on that, and two people are booking one person. Or what if one person is the only person that people are booking, right? So you just finish one and they are booking him and they are booking him. What will happen to the rest of people? What will happen to them? Do you get? So that's where systems, you need to understand system design, then you be able to properly set them up, and then you have a good and fantastic web application. Not just front end, not just fine. Oh, it's fine, it's looking fine at all, but can it deliver? Can it work? Do you get? Can it work? So moving on, that's what you need to understand about um system design using AI to build. All right. So you need to know how to solve real world problems, because these are problems. I just gave you problems now. Like, what if two people book one person? How are you going to do it? All right, that's the real world problem. So you still need to understand how to solve real world problems in your mind, and then as well, the AI tool is there. You can chat with AI. Hey, hello, GPT. Hello, Alpha. Uh, Two people are booking the same rider on my website. How do I do it? There is just one rider. When one rider is booked, and it should not be available anymore till he's done with his task and all. All right. You and AI, you can go through that, and you tell AI do this, do that, and all. Okay. So, but then the thinking is still on your side. Okay, all through yesterday, I didn't write much code. Even the prompt, I didn't write much prompt. I was just thinking through all the things that I will need for this one. Okay, this code area, do they really need it? This code area, I'm still going to remove it because they don't need it. It's just this one. Just copy this and paste it and all. So I had to think through everything here myself, and did one-on-one with AI, chat with AI and all, and got a prompt and used it to develop this website. All right. So that's how you are going to be doing too. So to make technical decisions, you need to, AI cannot make technical decisions for you. You need to make technical decisions yourself. So AI makes, in conclusion, AI makes good developers faster. Okay, good developers, it makes them faster, but worse developers, it makes them worse, because they just continue doing the wrong thing. So understanding the fundamental is very, very essential. It's very, very important. Okay. So before we go today, we are going to do a little bit of hands-on, right? A little bit of hands-on. We are almost done. A little bit of hands-on. So we are going to go to our GPT. Just want to show you something, right? Next week we are going to go deeper into the next week we are going to go deeper into building into checking how all these things work together. All right, we learn the fundamentals. You can trust me, you can use AI to pull these things off, but you need to understand the fundamental. That's why I'm teaching the fundamentals, right? And if it's just AI, use AI to build that you want to learn. I'm sorry, I don't think this is the course for you. All right, just AI, just prompts it and all. Because when you prompt it, you're going to have issues. Trust me, you're going to have issues. So let me show you. Let's see. So you can use AI to work your way. All right. So do let me see. You can use AI and be putting the issue on AI, be putting the issue on AI. But do you know what the problem is? You're going to run out of credit. I personally have like how many Google accounts, and I still run out of credit for the Google accounts that I have. Number of Google accounts that I have. So you're going to run out of Google accounts. Some basic stuff that you're supposed to be able to do. All right. You can still see my screen, right? So look at this. This is the one. This is the website for the. I mean, this is the. Let me just pull it to that side. Come on. Hello. All right. Man, my system is so hanging. Okay. Can you still hear me? Can you hear me? All right. So, for example, I now look at this side. Look at my this is my prompt. So for you to see that I use AI, like I use AI heavily. Instead of pause, can it bounce? Very small. It shouldn't be disturbing the eyes. It should be smooth. Just bounce just bounce on load and after a while too. Look at this now. What AI gave to me was just nonsense. It was bouncing, it was bouncing. That's not good user experience. Okay, it's going to make like if you are on your phone and you're looking at something and that thing is bouncing, 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 you'll be like, what is all this? It's going to distract you. You just need a subtle bounce. All right, you just need a subtle bounce. Just like if you check this Google Meet now, when I'm speaking, you can see like that subtle this thing around the border. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do here. It first did nonsense for me. I said make like a pause effect around this in orange color. You should make a pause. It was giving me rubbish, so I had to change it to okay, do this one instead. So you need to understand what you want to do. All right, this that's I've explained that earlier. So what I wanted to show you is that yeah, that's part of it because AI can make nonsense mistake for you. Yeah, let me see, let me see, let me see. I think he's message. I think it's message text. It's message. Yeah. So look at this now. I don't know if you can see this, but this one that is highlighted like this now, this message text here. AI went to write message text for me. AI went to write it like this. It will not work because I will show you the difference later. I mean, in our later classes, right? I'll show you the difference. It will not work. So it was giving me issue. It was giving me error. It wasn't loading. So I started checking what is going on. What is going on? Because I have understanding of how this thing is supposed to go, I had to come here, come and check it, then just change it back to this case, all right? So snake case instead, all right? So if you don't have that understanding, it's going to be difficult for you. So that's why I prioritize learning, teaching the fundamentals alongside the AI, okay, alongside the AI. So we are going to do a very little exercise today. All right, this is the end of the class. All right. Before we do the exercise, do we have any question? Any question at all? So we'll take questions, then exercise after. Do we have any question? This is the end of the class. This is the end of the class for today. So we're just going to take an exercise. Anybody? Anyone? Can we all hear me? So nobody has any question. Does it mean that we understand we understand this? Okay, all right.
Well,
So
I think that's not getting to where we will ask question. Maybe
he
in
said,
subsequently
yeah.
will be. I think subsequent class will be asking questions.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, so on your GPT, I just want to show you real quickly like how you can develop very simple, okay, very simple web page. Okay, I can go on with today and show it to your people that oh, I developed this website with AI. So I made this prompt earlier, right? So you can just put it in your GPT. I know all of us know how to go through this route. So create a simple personal profile web page using HTML and CSS. Include my name, a short bio, hobbies, and a profile picture placeholder. Make it responsive and modern. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to generate an HTML file for me. Okay, so it's done. This is the style.css. This is the image. How to use save the first code block as index. So you see, AI is going to tell you how to use it and everything. Let's follow the prompt. I mean, let's follow his instruction. It says save the first code as index.html. So I'm going to open this. Right, I'm going to open my folder here. Say put it inside inside. Let me just create a new folder. Okay. So he said we should do what? He said we should open save the first code as HTML.index. So I'm going to show you as that. So you come here, click on this, all right, new file. Do you have a question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I dropped a message.
Okay, I'll check it.
Okay, I'll check it.
Change version, yes.
Change version, yes.
I said,
I can't see your mess.
I can't see your message.
can the okay? I said, can the prompt be sent as a text so
Oh,
everyone can just copy?
yes.
Because
Okay. Yeah.
some of us we do not
Yes.
use.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
myself I don't use a. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, I can go ahead, sir.
Okay, sir, you are giving a prompt on ChatGPT
Yes,
and
sir.
you are copying it. What software are you using to bring the command to reality? Is it UI UX or which of? I don't get.
Okay. That I will use to display the website, right?
Yes.
That's what we are doing here. So this index.html is going to do it, but let me delete it first. So we'll go through it together. Okay, let me delete it. So you see it. So I have
And
this.
also, and also the meeting is going to end in 2 minutes time.
Oh, let me make a new meet so that you see this.
You say this.
I don't think it will end though. It will not.
Uh, I think he said
It
it's
will
going
not
to end
end.
in
I think
2 minutes.
he said it's going to end in
It
2
won't
minutes.
end. It won't end.
Oh, okay. All right.
Oh, okay.
I don't.
All right.
It won't. It will not.
It will end.
It will end.
Ah,
But let me just create another.
But let me just create another.
I will answer your question, Mr.
I will
Yosime.
answer your question, Mr. Yosme.
I'm going to join the new meeting. I'll send the new link on the WhatsApp now. Man, my system is lagging. Ah, come on. All right. So I've created the index. So I'll come here. I've pasted the code for the CSS inside here. Okay, inside the new folder that I created. So I'll now come here and change the name. Change the name to the what did they say we should change it to? Say style.css. Okay. I'll change it to everything. We'll change everything here to style.css like that. Enter. Yes, style.css like that. All right. So if I click on it again, so if I come to this place again and reload it, see that, see what we have now. So this is the website, okay, and it's showing well now for us. So the CSS makes it to look well. To CSS is what you use to align your. You were talking about UI UX the other time. The CSS is what you use to align the user interface, okay, to make it match what you have designed in your UI UX, your Figma. Okay, you use CSS to arrange it to be like the one in Figma. All right. Mr. Barry, you are asking a question. Uh, do you have any question? Anybody has any question? So we still have one more. So it says this, the last one, replace the placeholder image URL with your own photo. For example, this one, open index in your website, this blah blah, this design is clean, mobile friendly. Oh, that's the chat. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please ask your question. That's the chat. Why is the chat? Please ask the question. Please ask your question. Oh, can anybody hear me? I can't hear you, Mr. Barry. It's like you are muted or something. Mr. Richard, you are raising up your hand. Please, can you talk? Ah, something's wrong with my ah, something wrong with my what's going on? I didn't do anything here now. I didn't do anything. I've never experienced this on um or I should maybe I should can can you hear others? Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself? Like if Mr. Barry is talking, can any other person hear? Ah, okay, I think it's fine. Let me leave and join again. I'll leave and join again. Ah, yeah.
Okay. Have you
Okay.
joined, sir?
Yes, I can hear you now.
All
Uh-huh.
right. All right.
Ah,
So, like I said we've been raising our hands since.
I did not see it. Like the whole
So,
stuff just went off.
okay, so I would like to take you back.
Okay.
So, when you copied that first prompt
Yes, sir.
and it gave you instruction, you opened a folder,
Yes, sir.
and in that folder, you were asked to rename the folder
Yes, sir.
from ChatGPT.
Yes, sir.
Hope you can hear me now.
Yes, 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 yes.
Very good. So, following the second prompt, following the second command, ChatGPT said you should save it again in that same folder. But instead of saving it in that same folder, you created another folder again.
Okay, so it's like this.
So
This is
that
a
was why I was calling your attention back that why is it that way.
okay. So this is a folder.
So I would like us to go back.
Okay, okay. All right. So let me go back to the downloads and do
Then
another
you
one.
share your screen, sir. Your
Now
screen
share
is
your
not
screen.
Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Oh,
burning.
I hope it's not this sharing screen that is taking. Can you see my screen?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So,
So he said the first thing after putting that, I said, um,
yes, you were asked to create a folder for that first.
no, he didn't say I should create folder. I'm just the one creating folder. So he said,
Okay.
save the first code block as index.html. This is a file. So a file is
Okay.
just like Word document. It's just like Word or presentation. I mean that's
Okay.
all those
PDF.
like PDF and all. So I will
Mm.
come. So me, I want to put it in a folder myself. I can put it here as well, but I have too many
Okay.
files here. So I'll just come and
Okay.
create a new folder for myself that I want to put
Okay.
inside that folder. All right.
Hello, everybody.
So I created the new folder. So inside that new
Okay.
folder now, it's now telling me that so inside the new folder or a folder that you already have, saying that
Okay.
excuse me, save the first code block as index.html. So I need to save this. So I'll come and copy it.
Eh,
Okay.
Copy it.
Okay.
So I'll come to this place. So I want to create a file where I can paste, because I cannot paste inside here. I cannot paste that text inside here.
Yes.
So
Okay.
I need to create, I'll come here and create a new and create a file. Either text document, rich text formats, Microsoft
Mm-hmm.
Word document, or any of those.
Okay.
So I go with text document. Text document is easier. I'll click on
Okay.
it
Okay.
like that. So I'll now open it.
Then you save it inside.
So open it and paste it inside.
Okay.
After pasting, I'll now do Control S to save it.
Okay.
After saving it, I'll come out. I'll now rename it. He said I should rename it to something. He said I should name it as.
You are asked to rename it, Abby.
He said save the first code block as index.html.
Okay, sir.
So that's what I will save it as. So I'll come here and come and rename the whole of this one. It should be index.html.
Okay.
Save like that. Then you to ask me if I want to change this thing to change the file extension. The extension is this HTML. Okay, the previous extension was .txt. TXT is text. For Word document, I think it's DC. I
Yeah.
think DOX also. I think it's DOX or DOC or something. For Word document.
DOCX.
DOCS. For Excel, I think it's XLSX or something like that. So yeah. So
Okay.
index.
TXT
So HTML is for hypertext.
format.
No, hypertext something language. I've forgotten this. Hypertext
Okay.
markup language. Hypertext markup language. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I will click on this save. So you see that I changed the logo already. Change the logo
Okay.
to something that website can open. So if I double click on this now, that I want to open it. So it's now open like this. To open on my web page like
Mm.
this. You see that? That's everything that we have copied. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are not done. He said save the second code block as style.css. So that means we have to copy the second one and do the same thing that we did. Right? Come back here, right click on new, go to text
Okay. Then you
document.
now look for.
So
Okay.
I will wait. Inside this document, I will enter. If I change the name here, before I enter, I will not be able to enter and paste.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it has to be in text format. So I'll click on it, then
.txt.
come and paste,
Then you paste.
Control S to save it. Then I'll come outside to rename it to.
Rename it.
And you can even
Okay.
save it inside here. There should be save as here. So you see save as. So when you click save as, you can rename the name here. It's the same thing. So me, I just prefer save, then come here and rename.
Yes.
Oh,
So it's going to be
okay.
style.css like this. Ask me if I want to change it. Yes, I want to change it. So that's everything. So I'll now come back to that place.
Okay.
See this one. So if I reload this now, it's going to apply that CSS. See now it has applied the CSS. Do you get? So it has applied it. So
Oh,
that's why we have this. So you can go ahead with this. You can just post this as what you learned today and all. Right? As what you learned
Okay.
today. Let me see if I can add the image. Uh, 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 I have any image here. Okay, now. Show on photo. I'll change this to txt back. So that I can edit it. I'll come to this place and put instead of that image, I'll put my own image dot jpg. Save it. Alright. Close it. Change it back to HTML. Save it.
okay, Dario.
Okay, I will explain. So to show my image here. So let me explain. So where is it? So here uh okay, so this is what we had before. Alright, this is what we had before, and then to this place and to this folder HTML. Somebody you still have question? Okay,
Not at all. Not at all.
all right. So what we had before was this index, HTML, and CSS. Do we understand these two? Do you understand these two? Index, HTML, and CSS. Okay. So if you understand these two, how we did these two, then on the inside the code, we asked it to, if you check the prompts, they create a simple personal profile web page using HTML and CSS. Include my name, a short bio, hobbies, and a profile picture placeholder. So that profile picture, we want to put our photo there now. We want to put our own picture there. Do you get? So to put our own picture there, I have to move that picture into the same folder that we have our index, HTML, and CSS. Right? Everything has to be in this same folder because of the way it was written here. All right. So everything is the same folder now. So now this is the name of the Ayodeji trainer. So this name here, I will have to come inside index.html to come and include that name. All right, I have to come inside this index.html to come and put that name. So what will I do? I'll just come here, copy the name. So I want to edit this index.html. If I double click it now, it will just open in web page. Do you get? So to edit it, let me see if it will allow me to edit self. You see now, so edit with notepad. So I can edit with notepad here, but notepad is I don't think you have notepad. So don't let me go this route. Okay. So you can't directly edit it because me I have something that I use to edit code that is doing that, right? So you cannot edit it through that route. Do you get? So what you are going to do is you are going to change it back to something that you can edit. You are going to change it back to txt. Txt is the editable file, is the text. You know it was in txt before. Now change it back to txt. So I can do what? So I can go inside it and edit it. So when I get inside it, inside the code, then I'll come here and replace this place. Don't worry, I will explain all these jargons that we have here. I will explain everything in our next class. Okay. So just replace this site. Just replace it with the name of the image that you copied and Control S. After Control S, come back and change the file extension to the HTML. Hypertext markup language, okay, like that. So if you now open it now, it's going to show and put that image there like this. So can we do this? Can we all do this? Can we all do this?
No.
Hello,
Hello.
sir. Hello, sir.
Now,
That's this is your assignment. You can submit it tomorrow.
okay, sir.
Some of us don't have laptop.
Can it be done on phone?
Yes, you can do it on phone.
Oh, really?
Yes,
That's
sir.
awesome.
Yes, sir. It's just
Okay, sir.
file. Just you open a file inside the folder, just copy and paste, just copy and paste. That's all. Just copy and paste it.
Okay.
Okay.
So when
Let's
we get
try
to
it.
when we get to all these ones that you be needing laptop, or we get to these ones that you be needing laptop. But for that, just prompting to get the website, or you don't need a laptop. You can do it on your phone like this.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. I know. I can hear
Bro
you.
Richard. Um, bro me doing.
Yes, sir.
Bro Richard, are you currently watching us with your laptop or your phone?
My phone.
So, okay, all this screen Velon is sharing. Can you see it clearly?
Yes, I can see it clearly.
Clearly.
Yes, sir.
My own is not showing clearly. Like I can't pick those small letters.
Hi, I'm William, a passionate entrepreneur with an interest in technology,
But Bill,
web development,
Eh?
and creative. I'm reading what you didn't see.
No, not even all these ones. Not these ones. When he started opening his laptop,
Oh,
were you able to read?
they are just, I think, maybe if it goes there
So,
again.
yeah, me, I just want to ask if they can be displayed in mobile version. I'm just asking. That's the purpose of my question.
Okay.
If what can be displayed in your mobile version.
I mean your screen, if it can be shared in mobile version. Just asking for everyone.
Oh. Is there a way to share it in mobile version?
Mr. Mr. Cornelius, you were saying something, sir. About Salo. Me, I'm just asking for everyone. Because when you were opening all those files and this thing, they
I,
got smaller and they got smaller.
what I can do is I can increase
Maybe subsequently, sir.
I can increase the
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
size.
That's what I want to ask.
So do we all
Thank
understand
you, sir.
this class and on? Did we get something?
Uh, I think I understood till the replacement of the picture. I but I think subsequently I'm going to maybe get familiar with it.
All right, all right. Yeah, but that placement of picture, like there are some codes there that you probably don't understand, but just copy and paste it the way it is. So, okay. So I'll be expecting the submission of the
All right,
assignment
sir.
tomorrow. I'll be
But
expecting.
okay, sir. But
All right.
sir, after we have copied, sir, after we have copied the prompt and we want to save it, since you say our phone can do it, from where can we save it on our phone? Is it well, that aspect I don't get it.
ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní file manager.
Fireman, yes.
So file manager máa ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Pray for us, bro Richard.
Ìwé koro.
Pray for us.
Hello, Sami. Hello, mo active.
Okay, oya pray for us, bro
Mo
Richard.
ní pé mo ní
Okay.
fi sí full screen. Fi sí full screen lẹ fi rí.
Full screen náà ló wà, full screen wọn kí mobile ni mò ń lò, system ni wọ́n ń lò.
Ẹ̀bẹ̀ ní laptop ẹ switch sí.
Data mi, àwa tá à ń jí data lò. Oya, àfi tí n bá lo cable, màá máa lo cable next one. Bro Richard, pray for us.
Okay. Father Lord, we thank you tonight
Thank you, Lord.
for the brother you have used for us to sharpen our life to access technological advancement.
Thank you, God.
Lord, we pray for more grace upon his life and also grant us also the enablement to be able to grasp what we have learned. And as we also want to play, we pray, oh God, that your presence, so that we abide with us in the
Amen.
name of Jesus. Thank you,
Amen.
Father, for answering us. In Jesus' name we have prayed.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, sir.
Amen.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
Thank you so much.
Pastor.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you, sir.
I see.
See you all next week in
All
Jesus' name.
right. See you next week.
Amen.
Yes, sir. Bye.
All right, sir. Bye.